Okay, 1120, they want us to find the inverse function. So, step 1, I'm going to change f of x to y. Step 2, I'm going to solve for x. So I'll subtract 3 from both sides, and then divide both sides by 2, right? So x equals y minus 3 over 2. Then I'm going to change the x to be the inverse function of x, right? And I'm going to change the y to be an x because it's the input variable. So there's the inverse function of f of x. Okay, the next one, b, we could do that over here. We have g of x equals x minus 5 over 4. I'm going to change it. Y equals x minus 5 over 4. So I need to solve for x, right? So I multiply both sides by 4. And then I add 5 to both sides. And then we rewrite it with x on the left, right? Now I'm going to switch the x for g for the inverse function of x. And I'm going to switch the y to be an input, which is x. And there's the inverse function g, right, of function g.